Good evening and welcome back to another miniature railway. I am going to call it the miniature railway series, but I'm just going to call it the miniature railway. A couple of things for this evening. Obviously I'll do my outro just in a sec for the beginning of the video. We're just doing some colouring some very old colourful, we're colouring some very old toy cars I got. Some have got lost its detail with over the years of weathering and heavy use when I was young. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm just going to put Facebook and Twitter, TikTok, and you can go on my Reddit page too, if you wish to. So for today we're just going to run some trains, do some colouring very old cars. We could do some TLC work. Basically our little model cars have been restoration from history, from the old 90s and 80s stuff. There's nothing in that one. That's a Ford. That'll probably be quite cool in pink. But we're going to do pink eye today, and that one looks actually quite good. So we'll do a Ford then. Or maybe this one. Yeah, that one looks. That one should do some tension, and this one I think with the blue. So I really need to move that toy box. I don't need a half a track stabbing in the rib cage. That was silly. That's steamy. Well, I guess now I get what I get. Get what I deserve. Walking into a railway track piece, not being walking too close to it. That's what it's all about. Total underwear, they sort of grab places where you don't really want them. And that's what the 9 is about. Smart trousers, or what is considered semi-smart. Where's my pen gone? And a pink pen and a blue one. Where did they go? It's not going to plan this evening. So, where did I put? We're doing oops. Let me just put the oil. I got some new EW40 stuff yesterday, same with a train. I'm just trying to get the new train working, but obviously it works when you've got the wires directly connected to it, but anything, being a little bit further from it. Where did all the pens go? I have a pink one and a blue one. I've no clue where I put them. All over there. Right, I think my brain's just lost the plot today. Brain's losing the plot. It's not unusual at the end of the week. So we're going to do some touch up. Just going to go a little bit of a recolour, just to make it look more smart and presentable, even the tyres themselves are kind of trashed. But you know, this kind of happens in real life, things that get paint up. Kind of get paint up, but the bodywork, something the colour on it, Doesn't really, they don't really do much else with it. And since this is going to be a gimmick car, being it's an old car, I think it's an old Volvo estate or something. Hello, Spotty. What? Let's turn the loco switch on. And we're going to put the Triumph 81 on. So yeah, she's going to be running for a few days because she could do a little bit of a running session, and she's only yesterday I've got her. And she is quite old too. As I said, I unboxed her yesterday. She's something from the era of the 1950s, I think. So that's what my guess is at the moment. But again, some of you guys are probably more experts than expert.